Hello friend, my name is Like. In this video I will show you how to save your important data online free for lifetime such as picture, video, documents, apps and other important data. In Android mobile, you must have seen Google Drive which can provide you 15 GB free storage which you can use for your important data to save online. How to save your file in Google Drive? Let's see the video. Open Google Drive apps. If you using this app in first time, then select your Gmail account for creating your account in Google Drive. After sign in, click on the plus icon, and if you want to create folder, then select a folder, type folder name and click on the create. Open the folder and click the upload and choose the file which you want to upload. For example, I want to upload my picture, so select. I have selected 3 pictures and uploaded it to my folder, my picture folder. Now I want to create another folder for my video. Open my video folder, click the plus icon and select upload, and then choose video file, click open. Video uploaded to my videos folder. Now I want to create another folder. Now I want to create another folder for my app, so click plus icon and select upload. CSV viewer.apk, it is an Android app, so which I want to upload to my Google Drive in apps folder. The apps is uploading. Upload complete. Now I want to create another folder for my text data. In folder, click upload and select text file. I want to open a picture in my Drive. This is the picture I have uploaded a few Now I want to download it to my phone memory. The picture is downloaded to my phone gallery. This is the picture of which I have downloaded from my Drive store. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.